beep, boop, boop, dropping them doo-doo. I can't protect you from these turkeys if you get too close. That Indigo Giagante I already tried to hump you once, remember that? Turkey humped him too. Beep, 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 that's the good girl, mama.
Dog, 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 dog. Wee, 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 wee. 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 Wee, 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 wee.
Juju! Pounding headaches, boy. Don't look like we're gonna have good weather today. What y'all think, little bit? God bless y'all. Remember, through God, all things are possible. Get out there and live your dreams. Do what makes you happy, people. Belly! Belly Gotti! Tell us. Cause yo, tell us. You ain't gotta tell it. What the hell happened? What are you doing, Duck? We're playing hide and go seek with the other ducks or something? Yeah, playing duck, duck, goose? What you got popping? Never thought I would catch him in the act. Playing duck, duck, goose. But there you go. What's up, pimp? You pimp school pimping? Juju, Belly! Come on, Juju, let's go. Daddy got a headache the size of a two-car garage with a space meant for a bike. Come on, Juju! Please like and subscribe and remember, through God all things are possible. Peace!